Hi, I'm Elizabeth Silva and I passed my SPI. I was searching online for different programs and I found the ultrasound program. I think I would just like to see images of babies and or fetuses, and that just sounds real interesting to me. Healthcare Career College, it was available online. I tried contacting other schools, but nobody else would respond. Healthcare Career College responded right away. I prepared my studying by following Dr. Mary's advice, and as far as what to study and how to prepare the day before the exam. Her advice made me feel more confident. When I registered online, there was an option for at-home testing, so that's what I chose. I feel very happy and very relieved after passing my SPI. My plans for the future are to hopefully find a good hospital or clinic and OB/GYN as a sonographer. I would just advise the students to keep the faith, keep studying. You know, we all have families and personal problems. Just got to keep doing it and keep thinking that you could do it. And I did it. Welcome to Healthcare Career College. Your success starts here.